let's go check out a one bedroom at Disney's Old Key West. And here we go. And something to note about this room, this is the largest one bedroom on Disney property, over 900 square feet of space. So starting off, there's a little cabinet right there with a vacuum cleaner and a mop and just some extra storage. Prop broom thing. I don't know, looks like a Swiffer. Interesting. Then coming right here is like a little vanity mirror area for stuff. There's also outlets right there. And then right here is where your lock-off would be. It goes to a studio to make this into a 2-bedroom if you would like. And coming over here is this massive living room kitchen space. It's huge. So we'll start off with the living room. So as you can see, there's some beautiful coral art. You will notice that this room is very Florida. So right here we have this chair and ottoman, and this chair will actually pull out into a twin bed because there are no Murphy beds in this room, but this chair pulls out, and so does this couch. This couch will pull out into a nice long queen size bed. And this very pretty table is here as well. And this couch is very comfy. Comfy couch. And then right here is another miniature couch. This one does not pull out, but it's still more seating area because this room can sleep 5 people. So you're gonna want that extra space. And right over here, of course, you have your Hey Disney, your phone, and this adorable lamp. There's a little lifeguard chair with a Mickey on it. It's really cute. And then right here is this really unique like TV that's like built into this like counter space that goes on into the kitchen. That's really neat. And now to the first part of the kitchen area. There is this circular table with 4 chairs, and it's a nice big table. Not all the rooms have a nice good place to just sit at. So especially if you're going to be here a while, I mean, a table is a nice table. And then over here is it's a ton of storage. These cabinets down here, there's nothing in them. They're just huge space, just completely spacious, ready for whatever you need to put in them, probably snacks. And also a counter space, and there are more outlets right against this wall, right here. And now into this lovely kitchen space, of course. You've got a nice full-size fridge, perfect, and an ice maker, lovely. Oh, that freezer is cold. I mean, I expected it to be, but it's still cold. You have an oven, and this one has your Mickey burners on it, along with your microwave, some storage space, more storage space in this corner. This one's gonna have like some spatulas and spoons. And this one has a cutting board in it. And over here is your toaster in this uniquely shaped cabinet with some bowls and kitchenware in it. And then right here is a drawer with spoons, knives, forks, and a can opener. And also some tablespoons. I don't know if I've ever seen that in a room before. That's fun. Then down here you got some pots and pans. Right here you have a coffee maker. It is not the Keurig Dual, but it will make coffee. And then right here is, of course, a dishwasher. Some more cabinets right here. This is where all your plates, looks like bowls, cups, everything. I personally love these tiny cups. Just look at them. They're perfect. Yeah. Then over here you have this very shiny sink. It is very shiny. But yeah, of course you got your sink. Up here, some more storage, another bowl, cheese grater, looks like a pitcher. Some more outlets. Wow, lots of outlets along this entire back wall area. This This cabinet just empty with storage. Right here, drawers with some knives, very tiny knife. And these cabinets down here, this one is empty for more storage. And these ones down here, of course, have your garbage bin and a paper towel roll connected to the inside. That's really cool. And of course, right here, more outlets. They are very squeaky. More outlets and more space for snacks. So this room area is super spacious. Lots of places to put everything. And yeah, so before we go into the main bedroom, I want to come check out this amazing balcony. There is only one balcony, but it might as well count as a small patio. So of course there's this beautiful patio area. There's a wonderful fan. And there's these wonderful tables and chairs with some shelves on them. And our room has this beautiful view of the golf course and this little miniature pond. It's a beautiful view. I mean, yeah, especially if you're coming with a decent sized group, having this nice big patio to just come out in the mornings and the afternoons, whatever. It's a nice, decently sized patio. I mean, I'm calling it a patio at this point. This is bigger than a balcony. So now we're gonna head back inside and check out the bedroom. Now I said we were going to the bedroom, but we're actually going to stop here for a second. There is your thermostat. And right in here is a full-size laundry room. Normally, the washer and dryer are like stacked up top of each other, pretty small, in a closet somewhere. You have a full-size washer and dryer, space up here, a laundry basket, and of course your ironing board, and this really cool hand iron in here. So this is something you don't see in a lot of rooms whatsoever, and it's pretty neat. Of course, Old Key West is just awesome. And now we're going to head into the bathroom. So this bathroom is pretty awesome. So there is only one entrance to this bathroom, and that is just from where we came. Right here, you have this huge jet tub with this very adorable Minnie and Mickey. Not a ton of like Disney in this room. There are some like hidden Mickeys though. And I think it's nice, very floating. But yeah, right here, there's also a window that you can push open, and it peeks into the main bedroom if you want to stare at your family while you take a bath. You know? And right, so yeah, this tub is, you can see it's a very big tub. Oh, there you go, that wide. That's my beautiful demonstration. And of course, you got some space right here. And then right here, and just another closet space. You have 2 extra pillow and blankets, some lots of hangers, and just some more space. I mean, you could probably fit a decent sized person in there. And then over here, you have this huge mirror. This mirror is huge, and a nice decent sized counter space too. Of course, your soap, lotion. And then, there you go, down here, that's just more storage. And another shiny sink. And then coming in here is a second vanity area. Of course, there's your shower, the throne, and another nice vanity space. I think this one is bigger than that one. But it's still got about the same thing. Storage under here, there's your hair dryer. And yeah, so there's more. Very spacious bathroom. And now we gotta check out the bedroom. And here is the bedroom. So starting right here is a little place to take off your shoes. Got some drawers in here for storage. It's too empty, perfect for whatever needs to be stored. Then here you have your nice little dresser. You got 3 nice, decently sized drawers, a nice little TV, some more outlets. I've noticed there are no USB-Cs in this room. I have not noticed any whatsoever. They're all plugs and USBs. So, good to know. There's also, in this room that you don't see very often, a ceiling fan. So that's nice, extra cool. And now we gotta do the bed test. I'm lying, we have to check out this awesome chair. It's nice, you gotta have a nice little chair, sit down and lay out your outfit for tomorrow. Whatevs. But yeah, right here, this beautiful lamp. More storage. Let's see if I can get, there we go, more storage. Got one of these bad boys on each side, just 2 drawers. And now, the bed test. And of course there's a Mickey little towel washcloth thing right there. Alright, bed test. Here we go. Oh, that's nice. More of a, very springy, but it's kind of cushiony. You kind of like sink into it. I like it. It's very nice. And also this back bedboard, very pretty. Very simple but effective. And now I gotta fix Mickey. There we go. And then on the other side, it's the same thing. There is your nightstand, your lamp, and there is a plug right there that is for the lamp. And yeah, and also right here is another entrance. There is another entrance to the patio once again. And that is the old QS1 bedroom. It is very awesome, very cool, and I highly recommend it. It's absolutely amazing.